Hi everybody, I am here with the incomparable and gorgeous and talented Maddie Ziegler. Did I say that correctly?
Ziegler.
Ziegler. Where's that from?
It's German.
Oh, love it. So we're going to be doing a transformation, a little painted by fame fantasy today. And we got acquainted through a direct message. Isn't that amazing?
Like, it was the best direct message of my life.
So we're gonna do some fun makeup today. I'm gonna make you like my niece, colorful and glittery, high drag, fashion drag. Beautiful.
Everything I want.
Everything that you want and need in life. We are meeting pretty much for the first time. And you know, it's kind of like a first date. You know when you meet somebody and you're
really
like,
is.
I wonder what they're gonna be like.
Yeah, you're actually everything I pictured you to be.
Oh, good. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. You just wiped your face off.
Yeah.
And I'm a bit like, I get like an educator sometimes, and it just is like...
I love it. I love learning new things. I use a lot of moisturizer. I don't know, a 15-year-old probably shouldn't say that they use La Mer, but that's my favorite.
Yeah,
but
she's humble.
I know, I'm like, I feel bad, but my mom got it for me,
Yeah,
so.
no, it's a gift.
Right.
And honestly, when you are working in entertainment and like you're public facing at all, like you have to make sure your skin is on point.
Especially being a teenager too,
and
that's like the hardest.
And
I've had some pretty bad skin days.
I just put some hyaluronic. I'm moisturizing. I'm trying to get you together, girl.
I'm so happy right now.
I know, I'm really excited. Give me a little run through of a transformation that was like, takes you out of body.
I mean, well, makeup wise, like we were talking about this, James Charles and Patrick Starr have done my makeup. They've transformed me.
And they're like major YouTubers you already know. You guys are already following them.
Yeah, so that was amazing because my biggest dream in life is like to have a makeup line. Like I am obsessed with makeup and I've always loved it. You don't have a makeup line yet? I feel like you would.
Maybe there's some like...
Maybe there's something in the works.
Glimmers in my future. Okay, so the first things we're going to do, a part of this transformation, is we're going to hide your eyebrows.
I've tried it myself a lot of times.
Did you use like a glue stick?
I used that exact one.
So you've done drag.
I'm actually such a huge drag fan, and this is funny, but
Are you watching Drag Race right now?
Yeah. Oh my god, of course. I was watching on the way here. I am obsessed.
By the way, reality television to reality television people, do you watch what you've filmed before? Or do you kind of like, oh, it's done, I'm out of it?
Yeah, I can't watch that stuff. Especially like when I did reality, that was like a really like stressful time.
Yeah.
I mean, I did it for 6 years when I started when I just turned 8. So I was like, you know, it was overwhelming.
Yeah. By the way, I'm just glue stick. It's like water-based, just like craft glue from kindergarten. That's really it. Like
from kindergarten. Yeah, I never thought one day that I'd have Elmer's glue on my face. Right. But here we are.
At least it's harmless.
I know, right? Like, can't you eat it?
Don't eat it.
Please, don't try that.
No, it's not a Tide Pod. Don't eat a Tide Pod.
Oh my god.
Don't eat Tide Pods. When did you get into Drag Race?
I mean, so this is funny. So
how did it happen?
So a couple years ago, and like, I'm not just saying this because I'm with you, but I was on YouTube because I always watch makeup tutorials. And then I saw one of your transforming videos.
Can I tweeze one hair?
Yeah, of course.
I'm keeping it.
Right?
Make a hair doll out of eyebrows.
But I watched one of your transforming videos and I was like, what is this? Then when we were doing Dance Moms, the reality show, Shangela was on our show.
Oh yeah, she's so good.
We were like 8 or 9 and we were so confused because
this
when
girl
she
has
came
a
out,
lot of makeup on.
Right, so we got really confused, but it was like the best experience. We were like, this is amazing.
Shangela is like a come to Jesus moment on that.
I know, right? I was like, you've really just changed my life.
What's available, yeah.
And then when we were on the Sia tour, all of the dancers, they are obsessed with Drag Race and they really got me into it. And so we all watched it every night before getting ready for the show. We watched every season. I told them today, their names are Nick, Wyatt, and Steph.
Hi, Nick, Wyatt, and Steph.
Oh my god, they're gonna die.
They're like, you're getting painted like a drag queen?
I know.
Do you know how to put on falsies?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
I've been doing my own competition makeup since I was 6.
How do you learn that? You just, who teaches that?
I learned myself because my mom was awful. Like, no offense to her, but she's horrible at makeup.
She's around the corner.
No, she knows that. I tell her like every day. I do her makeup for her.
You tell her every day how bad you're terrible at my makeup.
Every time she comes to my room.
Have you done her makeup?
Oh, I do her makeup all the time.
I love doing my mom's makeup.
Yeah, every time she comes to my room, I'm like, come here, let me fix you.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to do? The eyes, the lips, the skin? Is there a feature you're like, oh, I'm good at that?
I would say eyes is my favorite. When you were doing the show, did you paint a lot like heavier than you usually do?
Yeah, I did. I painted because just working in nightlife and being around the girls going out in New York, it's like paint heavy enough so that your face radiates at night. What is it like to have seen so many things creatively?
I'm just so used to it now, and it's like, I'm obviously still such a normal as I can be as a 15-year-old. A lot of people think that because I work and because I'm young and having all these cool opportunities that I'm just like a spoiled brat.
Yeah.
And that
But you're a hard worker.
Right. Because I wouldn't want to be here if I didn't work for it.
Yeah.
And I don't like when things are just handed to me.
Yeah.
If I don't feel like I deserve it. So it's overwhelming, but I'm very grateful for everything. It's just, sometimes it's a lot.
You're like, bye eyebrows. It's weird, right?
I look like an alien. Crazy.
So I used some foundation and powder to hide them, and now I'm just using a little like primer. Crazy. It looks like you don't have any eyebrows. Yeah.
Just me looking like naked mole rat. That's insane.
I love it.
We're done, everyone.
We're done. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of a newer lid, a little higher. So you have a big family. We were just talking before we started, and I have a big family.
Yeah, my younger sister, we're 20 months apart, so she's 13. And then,
that's good to close to.
Yeah, she's my best friend. But then my older brothers, they're all 22 and up.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah.
You're also training so often. That's got to be tolling on the body.
Yeah, I used to train 8 hours a day, every single day of the week, but now I don't do that as much.
Yeah, I'm committed.
It was a lot, but dancing is so fun.
Who's the dancer in your family before you were dancing? Was your mom?
No, my mom was a gymnast, and then she honestly, at 2 years old, she was like, I think she would look cute in a little tutu, so I'll just try it out.
You're all same.
When I was like 3, I had my first dance recital, and I cried when I came off stage because I wanted to go back on. So
she's like, we got a winner.
She's like, yep. I think she found her love. And I started competing when I was 5 years old, so.
Letting them bitches have it.
No, I was the worst dancer in my group. Like, I always lost. And then.
What do you think was happening?
I don't know. I think all of the girls that I was dancing with just were naturally better. I think I realized that I had the most passion out of anyone in my group. Yeah. And I was like, I'm sick of being in the back of all the dances. I want to be in the front and the center. And so that's when I was like, I asked my mom, I was like, can I have private lessons? I want to do it in every style. That's been
like such a huge part of your life.
Yeah, it changed my life really. Because being known with a group of girls was cool. But then once I did SIA stuff, I got recognized for my own work. You're very inspiring to a lot of people, and especially me. I feel like a couple years ago, or even when I was like 8 and 9, I never thought that boys wear makeup, because I just wasn't really taught that.
Till Shangela came along.
Right? No, but now it's like, it's just the normal. Do you eat before you perform?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've ate before I've been on stage, and it's just not the best.
Yeah, you're
especially,
like, I'm full, and
I wear a nude leotard on stage.
Yeah.
So
it's not forgiving at all.
There's like a lot of, there's so many positive things, but there's also negative people online, and people have told me I've gained so much weight.
You're like, I'm becoming a woman?
Yeah,
I'm like,
I'm a woman? I've hit puberty, and now, I'm a growing girl.
Yeah.
It's just what happens
Me too,
in
girl.
life.
Me too.
That looks so beautiful. It's crazy how I just forgot I had eyebrows.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter.
I saw that you also painted Nikki tutorials.
I did.
I love her so much.
She's
I
so
want to meet her
good.
so bad. This is just really exciting. Watching you on YouTube, but also on TV and all this stuff, and seeing it happen. It's like, this is literally what I've watched for so long. It's also important to take time for yourself. I'm working so much. It's like I want a break, but then when I have a break,
you're like, I need to work.
I'm like, I need to work. I have to learn that these breaks are good for me, but it's just hard for me to take that in, because it's like.
How often do you get a break?
Not that much. I recently, in January, I took a nice little break, because I filmed a movie for a couple months, so it was nice. I took a little break, played a very heavy character, so.
You needed to kind of come back to earth a bit.
Yeah, so that was the first time But then towards the end, like, I was like, do people still know who I am? You have a little, like...
Is it a glitter?
I don't want to get my
Yeah.
finger
Is
in
it black hair or an eyeshadow?
Yeah.
She touched my face!
I'm like worried. I don't want to mess up your makeup.
My nose falls off, literally. All right, so we're just gonna put on some foundation. Everything
like
I'm
the
doing,
curl.
I'm literally using my routine to get you together.
Please, make me look just like you. You're beautiful.
Contour I'm doing is not, like, I'm feminizing a feminine face. You're like, yes! So I do little contours on the outside and at the tip to shorten it.
I've never had like a really skinny nose, so this is exciting.
You have a beautiful face.
Oh, thank you. You know your face better than anyone else, and it's like, you know every single flaw or thing that you don't like. I can do like a little plastic surgery face. I'm fine with my lip shape. It's not huge, but...
You can always add a little bit of a lip liner if you
Right.
want to do a more like dramatic look.
Honestly, my face doesn't feel heavy. Like my eyes feel a little heavy, but my skin doesn't at all.
That's good. Well, now I had crazy blush.
Yeah, no, I love it. Oh wow, that looks awesome. I love that.
Adding a kick. And then it's like a little 80s, you know, it's like cusping on the outside.
Yeah.
That's
No, I
it.
love that.
You have beauty mark? Well, I have that one, but I didn't darken it today.
Oh my god, I have a little one right there.
Oh, you're my sister, see?
I knew we were related.
I could tell.
That would be actually so cool if we found out.
I know, right?
I was born in 2002.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
I know, it's
I just
weird.
saw my brain just was like, oh my god, we're only like 4 years apart.
I know, right? I'm most excited for the brow, I think, just because
Yeah,
like...
it really changes the face when
Yeah.
you add that level. So I'm just doing a little bit of contour down the edges. A light contour. Is it a bit freestyle working with Sia? Is there like some of that in there that's like kind of feel the music?
I have Ryan Heffington, who's the choreographer, and he does everything. But like, there are certain moves that like, I'll just be doing as a joke in rehearsal, and then Sia and Ryan were like, "That's amazing, put that in. That's funny." But
That's amazing.
yeah, it's really interesting. I mean, and now I've been working with them both since I was 11, so you know, they're like, he's my dance dad, and she's like my second mom. That highlight is beautiful.
She's coming together.
It's like a pink reflex. I don't even see my brow. That's so crazy. Literally, makeup is such an art form. And I love to paint. I think that's why I love makeup. Because I paint all the time.
Oh,
and
nice.
I love it so much.
Yo, I'm Rue.
Oh my god, I met Rue one time. It was like 5 in the morning. I literally was just like, hi, nice to meet you. I really love your show. Like, it's an amazing show. And then he was like, thanks. And then looked away, and I was like, I don't actually care that it was just one word.
Yeah.
Because it was like, it's Rue.
We're getting to a good spot. Do you travel with your siblings ever?
Yeah, only my sister really. But recently we haven't traveled together at all because it's like we're always working on the same days but just different projects.
Yeah.
And that gets hard on my mom because she has to split the time. The one thing that I will say that I can do really well is pick up choreography.
That's my strength.
I never say anything good about myself, but that's one thing I will say.
You're
it's
like,
I can
but
pick
I'm
up.
gorgeous.
No, oh my god, I never think highly of myself.
You should though. Oh, you let those bitches wonder.
I love it so much.
I'm gonna give you some mascara. I'm even putting it on a tester wand like I work at Mac.
I feel like everyone worked at Mac. Honestly, I would wear this out like all the time if I could. But I sometimes have to remember I'm 15.
I have to remember she's 15. All right, so I'm gonna do the lip. I'm gonna go a little bit more defined.
I wish I was born a long time ago so I could do like thoroughly
Defined lip liner?
Yeah, just like iconic makeup looks that are so different now. I'm living. Oh, this is like the classic MAC lip taste.
And once you have the glitter on, you're not gonna press, they'll just almost rest. You're gonna be like, I love my lips!
I know, right?
Okay, let me see. Yeah.
So good.
You're like, she's coming together. We're gonna add a few crystals.
Oh my god, I have a funny story about that. When I was like 6, I was doing one of my jazz dances called My Hair Looks Fierce. Like in the dance, we all had to wear like 3 stones like up here. And we had this little E6000 glue that looked exactly like eyelash glue. And then they burned little like things.
Yeah.
I had 3
it's
little
a
burns.
chemical burn.
Yeah, it was awful. And I was crying right before I went on stage.
But I killed it.
I just ate glitter.
How was it?
It was great. Oh my god, those are huge.
But I think we could take these and cut them to size for your eye. So
This is
we'll have
exciting.
to customize them. They're a little too long.
Yeah, right? That's crazy.
Right?
Now I feel the weight. Do you usually see like the lash right there?
You see the shadow of it.
Yeah, I literally.
It's
It like
monster.
pulls it together though so well.
I'm the 33-year-old you.
Wow, I thought you were definitely younger than that.
That's right. We went to school together.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm a 4th grade dropout. Like I still do school I do school every day.
Did you have to do homeschool everything?
I'm homeschooled.
Okay.
Yeah, but I had to stop going to public school in 4th grade. I finished 4th grade.
Because of the show?
Yeah.
Were people like being rude?
No, it was more so I had people bully me until I was on a show, and then they tried to be my best friends.
Yeah, shade.
And I was just like, I'm too smart to, I know what you're doing.
Yeah. People are weird.
I know. Like, I got made fun of for my teeth a lot because I had big teeth.
You're like, yeah, these things are gonna make me coins one day.
Yeah, right? I don't know. People forget. They think that because we're like, in the public eye or whatever, that we don't have flaws that we worry about. But like, we're all insecure.
Oh, we need to do them all. Wait, should we do it with the hair? We'll do it with the hair. Let's work on the hair.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do a little, you don't need it at all. Like, this is just for
fun.
For fantasy.
I need the full experience. I'm almost freaking out.
Okay, we can change you and put the wig on.
Okay.
So we'll be right back. We're sisters!
I'm just really happy right now. Like,
We're
I
best
feel like I
friends
need to do a
and
death
sisters.
drop. This is officially the best experience of my life.
Thank you.
My dreams have come true.
That's a major compliment.
Yeah, and like literally, what an honor to have you do it.
Thank
Literally.
you. It was amazing to paint you. You're easygoing, you're a kind person, you're talented, you've got great skin. I mean, all the
Thank
things
you.
that I would love in a daughter and a friend. It was just such a match made in heaven. I'm so glad we got to work together.
I'm so happy
You
too.
look gorgeous.
So do you.
Wait, this is the challenge when they bring you back. Now we have to partner together and we have to create that runway look.
As twins.
What would the story be? Cool moms? We're just cool moms picking up the kids. Thank you so much for watching today. It was a wonderful experience. So glad you were here with us to enjoy it. You can follow, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please go and check out her channel as well because
Aw.
you are killing it
Thank you.
all around.
Thank you so much.
The love is mutual and the support is mutual. So thank you so much for this amazing day.